Of course, hindi kumpleto ang aming holiday if walang schnitzel. So, naghanap kami ng best schnitzel here in the surrounding na madadaanan. So, here we are in Mönchengladbach and we get schnitzel. Yan, sa schnitzel store kami, sa schnitzel restaurant bago umuwi ng Holland. So, it is schnitzel Mekde ata ang pronunciation nun. Sorry guys, di ko alam kung paano mo i-pronounce. You know, it's nice It's a cozy restaurant. Look, it's Monday, that's why it's not busy, and we are lucky that this schnitzel restaurant is open. Yeah. So, kami lang dito at may dumating na isang customer. Look, what is this? Nice Ayan para sa chest. Diba? There's your food, guys. All schnitzel. Ayan, lahat naka-schnitzel, diba? So yummy, but it's different kind of schnitzel. Meron kaming schnitzel. What schnitzel do you have? Panchoten. Okay, schnitzel. Ayan, schnitzel with mushroom sauce. Ako lang ang gyros. Actually, ang only get gyros. Yan si Rico Schnitzel. They all actually get schnitzel except me. Yeah. Sila may mga schnitzel. Merong schnitzel na cordon bleu, that's what we sell. Ayan ang kay Kate, schnitzel. Kay Ronald, schnitzel. Lahat schnitzel. Yummy schnitzel, diba? Ayan, dumating pa yung ibang food. That's for Rika schnitzel and Mark schnitzel. And also Priscilla got schnitzel. So we got, Gordon Blue schnitzel. Laki naman ng Gordon Blue schnitzel. It's really yummy, Yummy. Wow. Picture muna. Sandali. Bago kumain. You make picture first. Diba? Picture. Ayan, bago daw kumain, magpipicturean muna kami mamaya. Eats mga kalak. Muna fatigue.
Ano yan?
Yes. At pwede na tayong umuwi mamaya kasi nakakain na ang ating driver, si Mr. Banchoten, ng schnitzel. So everybody got schnitzel. So pwede na umuwi mamaya. And we have a nice holiday, 10 days holiday. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for all the blessing. Thank you for all the food. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Good health. At sana si Banchoten, kasi nadulas siya. Gumaling na rin siya. Yes. Yan. Kami lang ang tao dito sa schnitzel restaurant. Merong isa lang palang nasa dulo. Doon sa dulo isa. So kaya pwedeng mag-ingay, diba? Wait, picture muna tayo. Picture.
1, 2, 3. Pa-picture tayo.
Inabot na kami ng gabi sa pag-uwi. But the moon is so beautiful. Ayan, Yeah, full moon today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.